Okay, so I've added some bulrushes. Now I'm putting a strip of this reed on top to hold them in place. I don't have two or I would be pairing them.
Darny, darny, darny.
I could pair them here though. Where they cross.
Oh no. I'm getting it everywhere. Oh wow.
I know. I'm recording. I know. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You can make me happy. Isn't this pretty, Mary Jane? Look at that.
Yeah, that's really nice. Very nice.
Now I think I need some more cedar on it.
I threw that brush out because it was totally totaled and it's all got green paint on it, so I hope that's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ellen.
I think it might be the same with this. Might be.
Alright then. Okay, so I want to mail this letter. You right back,
Okie dokie.
my darling? I guess I need to use your card because it's the one farthest back.
Well, if you give me a kiss, you can use my card, but you can only use it for, 15 minutes, okay? Then I'll have to have another kiss.
Oh, okay. Can I have it for the whole day?
Can you buy some chocolate while you're in town?
I'm not going to town.
Well, just McDonald's. Do you have chocolate at the corner store?
Yeah.